Welcome to the INS podcast, ladies and gentlemen. Igama Unkanyi Sonkomo, your host. The following is a conversation with Dr. Bonginkosi Mafuze, who is a sports psychiatrist. In this episode, we explored his journey, his qualifications, the mental health challenges faced in the world of sports, his broader experience as a psychiatrist. We also touched on his additional qualifications and personal insights into the field. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Because the main reason why ngafuna ukuqala podcast it is because I always have these beautiful conversations with people. But uthola ukuthi uyafisa ngabe kuthiwa irekhodiwe but ayirekhodwanga. Mase uthi uzoyirecord usuyifake into isiba format.
Formalizeka kakhulu.
Ngeke. So I think let's approach it like that. Let's take as if it's
Conversation.
Yeah, let's take it if it's I mean, I'll do the intro ekugcineni.
Alright.
Yabo? But I wanted us to go back to in as much as bengingafuna ukuqala khona but ngizoqala khona when I asked you ngale mpahlo your last qualification.
Yeah.
What is it?
Last qualification I think ithola is a certificate in sports psychiatry. So kusho ukuthi ngiyi-specialist in dealing with mental health challenges kwabantu abama-athlete. Yabo. So isport ke uyazi ke kuyahluka nangama level ukuthi khona abadlala amateur sport, professionally, elite na konke le nto. So certificate nje engisenzile ukuthi siba manager kanjani labo bantu labo who have mental health problems and bama athlete. Because I think siyayibona nje kaningi mfethu ukuthi kunabadlali sometimes abasakwazi ukuperforma but akana injury akana lutho ama fans abahlukumeza because we always expecting the most mfethu from athletes. We always expect them to be perfect. Yonke into yabo mfethu kumele ihlezi grand right. So nabo mfethu they go through challenges that I think siyawa overlook. Yabo lokuthi bafana idliwa yini kanjani yabo kanti mawuzibuza wena uthi are you always perfect inwena yabo so sonke mfethu kuba khona amaphutha mistakes. Sometimes you're down, other days you're happy. So certificate lesade ngisenza is looking specifically at sport and mental health yakhona.
Oh yazi yabo muyichaze ekuqaleni it's like mhlambe magnama severe injuries or anything kanti musuyibeka ukuthi it's more like ukwenza sure ukuthi performance ihlezi ikwi level thizeni not even nokuthi mhlambe ayibooster kwabanye uba kambelo but abekho coach abadila abaspecialize ne ibizwa ngani le nto ukuspecialize ngengqondo yomdlali mindset yomdlali noma eMzansi ayikho
eMzansi ayikakabi khona kakhulu because you were going to expect mhlambe ama-team amakhulu anama-brand amakhulu mengabayenza leyo but even naphesheya isanda ukufika leyo nto where I think mawubuka coach odumile uPep Guardiola. Pep Guardiola sakwiBarcelona kwaku one of the first coaches okwakuthiwa uza ne-approach ye-psychosocial rather than performance based yabo ukuthi outcomes based because wathi mefika watshena Ronaldinho Eto'o ukuthi hayi nina senizokenitha ukuhlala eceleni and uyazi ke thina sikhulu isports asazi ukuthi Ronaldinho Eto'o abantu yabo bukelwa kubona and wakha i-team uGuardiola that time eyakha based on ama-psychosocial attributes omdlali yabo I think kunebhuku la bani lo Alex Ferguson khona ibhuku abalibhala ngayo ukuthi why ethanda umunye umdlali over umunye umdlali yabo ekhombisa ukuthi I mean bonke abadlali bayakwazi ukukhahlela ibhola bayakwazi ukukora but kunabadlali abakwazi ukusacrifice more than abanye athi yabo ku-training about Danny Welbeck esafika ku-Manchester United
angibazi ke abadlali baphesheya bethu mina ngazi abadlali abambalwa
laba
abablind kakhulu
so wayethi uDanny Welbeck umthanda ukuthi kwi-training he's the last player to leave because uyena osizo coach ukuqoqa amabhola la ade lokho ekhahlela beshweba shaya
Not even
kuyale,
ukuthi umuntu operforme blind.
exactly, yabo. Uthi because you want to build a culture and you want to build a unity amongst abantu rather than something that's based on outcomes kuphela. Because
competition within the
exactly,
team if it's
yabo,
more
ukuthi
performance based.
who puts the team ahead of themselves, yabo. Kwesinye isikhathi bebebuka abantu abahlele ebhentshini ukuthi babehave kanti ngendlela abaspecific ngayo. Kukhona ucoach onake nje ibhenchi kuphela akayibukanga igame, ufuna ukubona ukuthi laba abaye ebhentshini ba-reacta kanjani uma ungadlalanga. Are you selfish enough ukuthi kwanje ungadlalanga wena usho ukuthi i-team iyabheda, yabo, wena njalo ufuna kube wena lapho. So they were creating more of a team culture. Kwaze kwabhalwa nje a very nice book, it's called The Barcelona Way.
Yeah.
That I think umuntu interested with sport and all of those things can read that book ukuthi how did they create team culture.
Wait, yenza
yabo.
kanjani ke lo technique le? Yasebenza?
No, iyona lento yokuthi instead of looking at outcomes, you look at umuntu ukhula abe umuntu onjani, isport leso senzayo uyas-enjoya yini, because you shaya ama-goal njalo, I mean igcinise kuba redundant, igcinise ibhora, igcinise ibuke ngathi umsebenzi, because there will be days ungasakori and then you feel like you are a failure, yabo. So
Kanti uma udlalile.
and the whole point of isport mfethu ukuthi si-enjoye and be your best. U-Akani Simbine usanda kuwina nje i-bronze medal for the first time individual international race, and uyasho ukuthi, you know, isport, and he's around my age manje, but uthi he still wants to continue running for the next 10 years. And we usually don't see athletes going beyond the age of 30,
Yeah.
35 begijima. But the reason he says that uthi because I enjoy ukugijima, yabo, not because I always want to be number one, but sports lesi kuyinto that brings joy to me, yabo. It's not always about winning,
outcome.
yabo, all the time. But ke bese kwaba nemali ke nama-sponsor,
Yeah,
i-pressure
nama-profits.
yonke yonke. So I think uku-commercialize kwesport is what makes it difficult manje ukuthi kube naleyo nto ukuthi kungabi about the outcome.
Yeah.
But once umuntu enjoy into ayenzayo,
Yeah.
they go over and above to always be happy and enjoy. And upractice nama scenario la ukuthi okay kulungile sidliwe ke namhlanje noma I failed to win kanjani, but you still find joy from into kade uyenza, even though you failed technically because awutholanga number 1 noma number 2. So I think iyona culture kumele siyilethe manje kwisport ukuthi angeke lokuhlezi number 1.
Yeah.
Kuzoba nama dips up and down.
Kuzothatha isikhathi singanani ukuthi ufike la eMzansi uma ucabanga?
Yo.
Because nje usawokuqala nje.
Yeah. So I'd probably say mfethu in the next 5 to 10 years, because okwamanje sisazama ukuthola abantu abane interest, and then obviously siphathe the knowledge that we've gained, sifundise abanye nabo bezo, because i-field le is diverse, yabo. The way you coach umuntu or the way you deal with the mental health challenges between individual sport like golf than a team sport like soccer or basketball is very different. So minoga mind, it's still more general. Agagabi specific where you want to go to the nitty-gritties. Ukuthi umuntu modila nomuntu ohleze dlala yedwa.
Yeah.
How do you encourage them? Whereas with team sport kulula mfethu, one day mangibheda mina uyangi-encourage ukuthi hayi Mafuza mfethu awu come on, yabo. Manje ku-individual sport i-pressure kuwena yonke, yabo. So
uma ugejele swing
mawugejele swing
akekho umuntu ozokhala ngaye.
Yeah, so I think I'd say 5 to 10 years, because even nama professional bodies okwamanje la South Africa abakai recognize ukuthi kunale field le ekhona. But internationally it's been around for the past mhlambe 30 years or so. So kuma first world marks afika.
Why uzofuna ukuspecialize kwisport?
I think personally ngumuntu vele osithanda isport a lot. Ngidlalile sport at I'd say recreational level, because angeke ngisho ukuthi ngeke ngadlalela i-team thizeni enkulu, but I love sports. I follow a lot of sport, and I realized ukuthi pressure iningi mfethu efakwa kulabantu. We put them on a pedestal, and we become the same ones that destroy them also, and it's a neglected group of people. Yabo. So I thought, why not have something to deal with their group, le vulnerable, yama athlete.
Yo. Ngiyayizwa cause uma uyibeka kanjalo inepassion inothando, but
Yeah.
what does it take for one to get to that?
Usho kanjani as in
Because Pela, for you to do that qualification, it's
Yeah.
not something that you can just wake up and do. Because you specialize on top of iminyaka velo so yenzile esikoleni. Usu decide ukuthi manje kayasambe nale nepassion.
yeah.
Why? Because why wamulapho kahle kahle
Ukuthi
ukuthi
why
ngiyayizwa
qhubeka?
why uzoqhubeka ufunda ufunde kangaka?
I think into mfethu uma ufuna ukuyi-understanda nokwenza umehluko kuyona
Yeah.
kubalulekile ukuthi ufunde,
Yeah.
because I think la uvela uchance nje ukwenza izinto ngomcabango wakho kuphela.
Yeah.
I think kuyenzeka sometimes misinterpret ama situation and uassess into mhlambe incorrectly ukuthi awusibani bani uboza ngowanakho mhlambe ejimini kukanje, kanti when you look deeper and ukuthi kunezinye izimo ezikhona, yabo.
Yeah.
Ngiyangibona futhi iculture le esikhona ebholeni ukuthi like thothi mhlambe umdlali namhlanje uzoshonelwa umuntu wakubo kune final ngeweekend, yabo. Ucoach kumele decide umdlali lo uwukapteni eteamini kumele udecide ukuthi ngiye ekhaya ngiyongcwaba noma ngiyodlala igame lapha yana. And these things can have a lifetime impact ukuthi mhlambe usuhluleke ngisho ukufihla umuntu wakini o close naye because uchoose i-team ngenxa ukuthi i-pressure abantu abakufake kuyona, and akuyona into mhlawumbe uzohamba uyikhuluma in public ukuthi ekuseyazi kushoniwe ekhaya kanjani njani. Kuhlezi kuyizinto ezifihliwe on the back doors, yabo. But thina as abalandeli sizoloke sithi hayi usibani bani ubheda ngenxa yaloku naloku, ucoach mhlawumbe akamthanda usibani bani akamfakanga eteamini, so aba understand ukuthi izini ezenzakalayo, yabo, ngemumva. But kodwa mfethu ukufunda ukukuthanda ukufunda, and what I always say khona lento ethi think globally but act locally. So kade ngenza certificate because asikho la eMzansi, ngisenze with global mentors and tutors from around the world. So ukubona ukuthi kwenziwani ngaphandle, then ngithi angithathe lokho esengikufundile ngakwazi ngikulethe la kwi.
Wait, how does that process work, Verek? How do you unetworka kanjani nabantu aba global till uzuthole a mentor e global? Because to some of us mangase kuthiwe ngikhalela imentor yaphesheya ngazi noma uthi ngaqala la kephi.
Yeah. So one, it's ukuzi-expose to izinto lezoyithandayo.
Yeah.
So as uzi-expose mhlampe like mina ngithanda sport, ngiyazi-expose to a lot of sport related things. Mangibuka sport lapho, how then one day I hear ukuthi ayibo kunento ekuthiwa sport psychiatry, yabo. Then I go deeper and then I find out ukuthi e-Australia nase-New Zealand nase-America go England banayo lento. Then mangithola mabenayo le sport psychiatry, abantu abenza sport psychiatry bayenza kanjani. Then ngathola kune website uyaregister khona, uyakwazi uku-applya as udokotela from any country around the world, apply khona. Maso applyile kunama Zoom sessions, ama meetings that you attend. Then kuleso space engizi-expose kusona, you start meeting abantu, ya network. So usually into if ingekho endaweni, networking and exposing us. Ngisho ungazilutho, yabo mina lapha ngingazilutho indaba ze sport psych. But ngazitshena ukuthi noma ngabe kuthiwa ngikhona 5 minutes or 10 minutes khona engizokufunda, yabo, to a point where ngathi mase ngizwana nabantu here and there kwabalula ukuthi izinto ngi-expose-ke kuzona. So it's all about ukuzipositiona wena khona izinto nje zizokwazi ukurevolve around wena, but awukwazi ukuhlala nje khoneni and expect information ize kuwena kumele uzifake nje wena uqonde nje straight kuyona.
Afethu wayenza yasounda yalula yazi. Yeah. Cause if it bengayicabangina kanjani but usuyibeka kanjani it makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, no, yona I think dedication ne sacrifice.
Yeah.
Because instead of mhlambe yabo mina kwanje ngithi it was an international, so it means kune issue ama time zones for ama sessions ade ngibe ngwa attend.
Yeah.
So sometimes attend the class ngo 3 ekseni, other times 11 ebusuku, 1 ekseni, depending ukuthi i-mentor le khona ifundisa ikuphi nani. So I sacrifice nje wena mazoyitshela hey mina ngeke nje ngihlale ngo 3 ekseni ngilalela abantu kanjani. It will be impossible ukuthi ufike kulezi
iqhamuka mfethu lento iqhamuka from i-work ethic oyithola esikolweni usufundela i-qualification yakho noma iqhamuka from i-work ethic vele useyintwana umuntu ayithanda ukufunda umuntu oyenengqondo ecurious noma iqhamuka because ayifiki manje ungalenzile uphuthe no leyo ukuthi uzolinda iclass la ngo1
I know I think iyaqala from mdala because yazi ke ngihleke makuthothi ngibheke i-report lami la grade 1 hey Bonkosi writes very interesting stories, is a creative learner kanjani. So umqondo wami vele into eyayihlezi curious yabo kulo muntu uthi maqhuma into la ngaphandle angijahi ukubaleka ngifuna ukubona aqala uthi before ngireact yabo. Sure. I'm very curious about figuring things out, especially makuyinto mhlambe engingayazi yabo iyona izinto engisuke ngifuna ukwazi a little bit more ngazi yabo. Because fana manje if ukuthi I hear new language I wanna learn or ngizwe nje ngizama ukuzi-empowerisha nami because I always feel ukuthi in the near future history tends to repeat itself, so ngiyozithola in a similar situation, so I want to be able to react ngendlela engcono nale ngisuke ngikuyona
ezobe isine information ethe ukuba ningana
ukuba xaxa yabo.
Ungaqhuma into ubale kungazi maybe leyasanduka kuyisound into thizeni engasiyingozi okanye le ingozi then you can react better kuyona
yabo. Indaba yokuqhuma ngikhumbula khona de esho ukuthi eme report i-crime ukuthi amaphoyisa uthi wafonela ureport i-crime, amaphoyisa akubuza ukuthi yena isibhamu lesade sikhale kanjani, besithi qho noma besithi masithi qho athi ayikhuleka siyeza, masithi athi hayi ubona amaphoyisa engasafiki. So yabo ezinye izinto usu-reactor usunayo i-background information ukuthi kuba kanjani, so it puts you in a better position ukwenza ama-decision.
But I think also the key there is to know ukuthi okay le singakwazi ukuyiphusha further, le singakwazi ukuphelela ngayo la, because for a child or a kid with a curious mind kunezinto eziningi kakhulu futhi osuku exposed kuzona yabo. For example ama-drugs, for example amathekeni, for example impilo leyasebusuku. Ingqondo ayikhethi ukuthi ngizoba curious ezincwadini, ngizoba curious kuma-drugs, ngizoba curious kwini. Uwena osuku decide ukuthi oh hayi le singayibuka siphele la les so unenhlanhla kuleyo noma uyenza uyibalansa kanjani ke leyo ukuthi okay le sizoyiphusha la but mase sidlule kule uzoyahlanya ke masodlula kule level yayo.
So I think into eyangisiza kakhulu growing up ngaba ile ngane le ebifunda through ama mistakes abanye abantu yabo. So bekuba umuntu obehleze bukelele very observant yabo, because ngisho ekhaya mina akaze nje ngibeka isandla nje ekhaya, but my siblings ahlezi nje ishi induku, so bengikwazi ukuthi ngifunde ngibothi oh mawenza le yanto basenkingeni yabo. Ngathi nama TV programs engazijwayeza wona ngimncane ngangazi ukuthi okay makunalokhu phakathi kuba nale inkinga lezi ezikhona, so I was able to learn a lot from other people's mistakes. But as ngifika I think university ngathi mina no, I think mhlambe sometimes we misinterpret ama situations yabo. So I started exploring ukuthi la bantu la balokhu benza ama mistakes njalo angiziposition kuleyo situation na, but will I make the same mistake yini noma ngale information esenginayo ukuthi
Yeah.
lo emenze kanje ungena enkingeni. So if ngizipositiona kuyona mina, will I react ngendlela reacte ngayo noma based on the knowledge enginayo mhlambe ngizo reacta ngenye indlela. And I think yonke ekwazile ungisiza ukuthi okay, it's fine, nami I can do the nightlife kancane. Ngiyazi kodwa ukuthi no, I shouldn't go beyond limit leyo because sengibonile ukuthi uzophuza udaki uzotakwa uzoshayisa imoto kuba ama repercussions akho. So yazi mawuphumile uzozilimita busy Uber uyahamba. So you play it safe yabo because it's not always ukuthi uzohlezi uke encwadini. It's important ukuthi ube nayo ama indawo la uzikhulula khona keep stress sakho, but you must always have it in a responsible way yabo. But nana manje liyaba khona lo bad ukuthi you try and secure everything kube nakwabanye kuyenzeka ulimala usesikoleni yabo. So a part of impilo awukwazi ukucontrola yonke into unfortunately. But I think la kwangiqala khona ukuthi ngifunde from amaphutha abanye abantu.
Yo. Because mfethu I can see ukuthi no from a distance phela. Impilo yakho uyakwazi ukuyibalansisa kahle. Awuwona lo muntu othefunda ubona ukuthi hayi net yangempela. Hayi no. Uyashaya isathi nje kahle uyiphilela impilo yakho. Yabo. Cause I think nanti umuntu ofundayo sike sim associate nezinye izinto ukuthi hey kushuthi lo uhlezi esencwadini every day. Njebe nama qualification amangaphi man.
Yo mangakhi vele. Matric asubala kids.
Hayi siyawubala. Kubaleke kabi ukuphasa umatric bese uqualify ukuyokwenza yiphi le degree kambe i-abbreviation yakho. Kubaleke kakhulu nje akuyona into engiyona noma.
Uskale ka matric.
Angithi yakwazi lokho ukuthi akuyona i-qualification awungeni nje.
Hayi vela ngeni.
So siqala ka matric.
Okay, yeah. So matric then kwaba i-MPCHB, so a Bachelor of Medicine and Surgery. So that's after 6 years of lento kufunda medical school.
So undergrad nama
undergrad. It's an undergrad degree.
Kulo 6 years kwenziwani?
So from first year so ufunda part umzimba womuntu ukuthi usebenza kanjani.
Ayihambi na something kulo 6 years?
Something enjani?
Mhlambe nobufike kube i-degree ne-masters.
Hayi hamba yodwa.
Ku 6 years?
6 years.
Uyidla nje.
Ingakho abanye abantu babe ba complain ukuthi hawu odokotela laba benza undergrad degree kodwa mabeqeda babizwa ngodokotela. Abanye kumele baze benza ama PhD. Umuntu enza undergrad enza postgrad.
Because amanye ama degrees ango 3 years ango 4 years nileni it's more like extended.
But mawuyibukisisa u-MPCHB lo uyi-abbreviation ethi Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. So it's like you are doing two degrees in one.
At once. Okay.
So I think it's one of the reasons why uthola isiqu sobudokotela ngaleso sikhathi kunanokuthi kumele uzwenze PhD. But ke just having MPCHB lena is usually not enough.
Uzofunde kangaka it's not enough.
6 years lo. 6 years mase uzokwenza internship internship ya 2 years mase wenza community service. Community service kuba unyaka owodwa, so 9 years lo manje. Uyafunda under supervision sonke lesikhathi.
Awuyicubi nelento iza yodwa.
Iza nje yodwa.
Inonyaka
wayo nje o compulsory because it's an obligation from uhulumeni ukuthi wonke umuntu emeseqeda undergrad yakhe kumele enze internship, kumele enze i-community service 9 years lo. Then ngathi manga community service ngathi I need to position myself ukuthi ngikwazi ukuspecialize.
Okay.
As soon as possible.
So you go specialize wena vele wawuyidecide early.
Decide early.
Mina ngiyo specialize. Mina ngizoba add abanyonyaka kulento engiyenza angizwa kahle. Mele ngeda amanye amawethu.
So into ke ekade yenzeka ke so kwi community service yami ngathi how can I position myself ukuthi ngisheshe ngikwazi ukuspecialize yabo. So ngathi okay angenza i-diploma yabo because very competitive ukuze uthole i-post yokuthi ukwazi ukuspecialize yabo. So I was like I'm sure so babaningi vele sifuna ukuspecialize, so angizi equip mina ngento engazi kahle ukuthi izonginika a better chance over amanye ama candidates.
Sure.
so ngenza idiploma ke ye mental health ngaleso sikhathi
Thatha isikhathi esingakanani lo
community
diploma?
service so kwaba unyaka owodwa
Oyithatha unyaka. So
Yes. During
uyenza
so
uyenza
yeah,
kulo nyaka.
sengibhanqanisile ngishaya kokubili same time ayike ngithola diploma yami mase ke mawuqeda community service ke kune option yokuthi ungaba i-family doctor like a GP noma ungaqhubeka usebenzele uhulumeni as a medical officer so bayakuplace noma kuyiphi department awu specialize we GP esebenzayo esibhedlela akwabantu ababalekile nabo because ibona abantu aba permanent ema departmentini thina specializers sihlala 3 months la usuku uhambiye kwenye indawo so yabo kunamanye ama patient ngithola hayi mina sengijwayele uDr Nkanyiso so uyena umuntu ekumele ngimbone njalo
Yasonda kamnandi ke le mpahla uDr Nkanyiso.
Yeah ungakwazi uba medical officer or uthola ipost yokuthi uspecialize so then ngaba ke medical officer nami for unyaka owodwa so yebani lo ye 10 lo
Yeah, 10.
yeah ngabe medical office unyaka owodwa then nga apply ngathola ipost yokuba yokuspecialize
Yeah.
so uma ungena ku post yokuspecialize
Uspecialize nge-mental health angithi.
mental health
Yeah.
ingqondo nje so lana ke it's 4 to 5 years depending ukuthi uspecialize kweyiphi i-field yabo whether udokotela amathambo or kwengqondo yabo inhliziyo usually they average around 4 to 5 years yabo so ngawenza ke ku 4 years wami ke kuyona i-mental health ke then so that's
work practice.
yes so
Okay.
more specializer ke uyasebenza uyafunda at the same time
We are monitor some sort of way.
Yes,
We are monitor noma we are reporter somewhere.
we are report
Okay.
so ufana ne-student uya-register so maso specializer ke this is a postgraduate
Program.
degree yeah uyaspecializer wenza ne-research ngaleso sikhathi leso
Yeah. Ha.
so u4 years ke so ngawushaya ke lo 4 years then ngaqeda ke ngaqualify as i-specialist
Yeah.
ngoba ke nami ukuba inquisitive during lo 4 years lo ngathi iziphi inkinga eziphethe kabi mhlambe izwe lethu yabo and then I was like mhlambe in the future cause angazi kunani angizi equipe ngento engibona ukuthi ingangivulela ilento le iminyango so I did a diploma ye HIV ngaleso sikhathi ngisa specialize
Usa specialize
yes so I did
so nje busy ne-mental health le awuyizwa. Uyayibona
kodwa
kodwa
ngiyayizwa iyakhala na
kodwa nje uyabona ukuthi
Yeah,
still senga-add into
ngoba mina
senga-add nje diploma eyodwa.
engqondweni yami phela mina kuukuthi sibaningi esenza le speciality
Okay,
but yini
yeah.
ezongihlukanisa
Ezokwenza
mina
uhluka.
nalabo abanye engisebenza nabo yabo
Yeah.
what will give me the edge ngathi okay HIV kuyinto esihluphayo as a country yabo so ngathi no man masiqeda sonke la mina yini engizoba nayo extra ukuze uma kuthiwa nje mhlambe sesine pandemic ye-HIV ngingasheshe ngikwazi ukungena kulo mnyango lo
Yeah.
yabo lo omunye usane speciality lesi sakhe esiza sisodwa kuyakulimit ukuthi mhlawumbe uzokwenza that specific department
Yeah.
yabo ngenza i-diploma ye-HIV and then
Ime kanjani ke diploma ye-HIV cause
so nayo kuba ulo nyaka lo ifana njengale ye-mental health engayenza
but in
senze
terms of
community
izinto
service.
ezifundayo ke i-relator back to izinto ezifunda kwi-undergrad noma
Ake so zimo zikwi-level ya more postgrad awukwazi ukuzenza ka-undergrad
sekusho ukuthi ayikho into ehlanganisa nayo leya
Hayi,
into ehlukile nje la
yeah
eseceleni.
but kodwa ama-basics bayakufundisa lawo owawuwafunde kwi-undergrad
Okay,
yabo
yeah.
so hayi ngiyenze i-diploma ye-HIV leyo then I realize ukuthi no man isport kuyinto engiyithandayo then uma ngiqeda le HIV
kulo 14 lo
Yeah.
kwaba khona i-HIV la phakathi
yeah
njengoba
so
seso edu 15 wesport.
yes so kulo 14 lo faka i-HIV kancane mangiqeda i-HIV ngathi okay vele ngithanda isport
Yeah.
nga-apply ka FIFA ngenza i-diploma ye-football medicine.
Oh hey, akuyona.
So gasha i-diploma ye-football medicine yaphela ke na.
Yipi football medicine ke yona?
So ka FIFA labo dokotela abagijima ngene groundini nje makhona umuntu olimele. Yeah, so uyafundiswa ke nakhona ukuthi na
Wait, akubona nurse laba ya odokotela noma kumixed?
So
Noma khona abasiza
udokotela
bese kukhona
nephysio ibona abantu abawu2 abajwayele ukuba khona lapho magijima.
No kuphela laba babamba i-stretcher uba still
kuba
ibona
ama paramedic.
ya ngiyasho ukuthi hayi phela bakwazi kufunda kanje. Ngeke.
Yeah, phela ama stretcher laba usuke nje makuthi hayi umdlali akasakwazi ukuyiphumela groundini.
But makuyinto critical ke bese kube kungene labo dokotela abanalo diploma.
Yes.
Okay.
So
yona uyakwazi kodwa ukuyenza without doing all of this.
Yeah, angidingi
ukuthi wena uyi-add nje
just ngase ngiyifaka nje ukuthi
mangiceda
la
angibe empahla yokufunda ngencane ngathi ngi-add something.
Yeah, so ngayifaka nayo then ke ngathi mangisengiqeda i-speciality lesami vele ke le ye-sports psychiatry ngayiqala ngo-2023. So asithi ukuthi at some point bengenza ama-diploma o3 ngesikhathi sodwa. But into yadi fortunate ukuthi bengikwazi ukuthi ngikwenze online and so I didn't have to be physically there. Yabo. So mase kuphela sekuhlangana konke ke around the same time. So 16 years of studying and learning, 15 years of learning and reading until you become a specialist ke manje.
So usha 15 years under your belt ukufunda.
Yeah, and kusazoqhubeka. Akumi.
Ufuna ukugqoka ijazi elinjani uma uphelezela abantu bayagrade?
Lelibovu. Lelibovu uzuba uprofessor.
Into yokufunda vele into esegazini noma?
Yeah, I think kuyinto esegazini. It's just nje from my decision eqaleni ukuthi nje curiosity. Because yazi nje bengayena umuntu obefunda kakhulu izincwadi. Up until ibhuku lokuqala engazifundela mina cover to cover. Ungangibuza ukuthi ngangikwenza kanjani ama book review e-high school, but ngalifunda sengenza u3rd year e-university undergrad. Ngifunda i-Long Walk to Freedom, autobiography le ya Nelson Mandela. That was the very first book I read in my life, cover to cover. From that time, ilanga bona khona ukuthi no man, okunokuthi umuntu afunde by ukuzenzela izinto. Abantu have written information for us ukuthi singaze siphinde ama mistake ayenziwe, and they are giving us advice, and all this advice is hidden emabhukwini. Yabo.
If to talk about that, because ngihlezi ngisho lento ukuthi abantu abaningi bahlezi bephila impilo ngazi ukuthi abokuqala bokuphila impilo. Of which isidinga sikho abhaliwe amabhuku
khona konke.
If ufuna into yomuntu successful akhona ama autobiography abantu bazokutshela ama mistake bakutshele nezinto ezisebenzayo.
Yeah, so iwona ngaqala lapho ngathi mangifunda autobiography yaMandela, then I started reading amanye ama autobiography ke. Sengibona ukuthi yazi I look up to this person, ikhona into ebhaliwe ngaye, ngizama ukufunda ukuthi impilo yakhe ihamba ijourney wayenza kanjani. Khona nami ngagcina sengilahleka because mhlawumbe ngiyoyitshena ukuthi ngizohlangana nomuntu invest imali, umuntu akushaya bacorrupt abantu. So labantu ababhala ama autobiography babhala ama mistakes enziwa yilabantu obukela kubona, yabo. So that way iyakusiza nawe ukuthi ungaphindi lo ma mistake again, going back to umuntu obefunda kakhulu from ama mistake abanye abantu. But even now akusho lokho ukuthi I will not try mhlawumbe izinto abafaila kuzona kubona, because akusho ukuthi mabefailile bona nami ngizofail. So now I still try, I still fail at times, but nje ukuthi i-information ike incwadini. Ilokho engisho ukuthi ike incwadi. Unfortunately le insuku mfethu usukwazi ukudownload ama audiobook, so uyakwazi nanokulalela ke or uyakwazi ama PDF books now. so awudingi ukuthi uze uyoyihlalela e-library uwalk
but
izindawo and uye
udinga
e-library
discipline. Discipline.
Udinga i-discipline. But phela you just have to find a creative way to learn.
Yeah.
Because sometimes if uzibona mhlawumbe i-concentration yakho ayikho that good ukuthi ungahlala phansi ufunde ibhuku, then I think i-creative industry, they are creating programs where you can take kancane kancane bits by bits. I think now sekudume o TikTok ukuthi bangakufundisa ukupheka ngo-30 second. Lokithi kanti kuqala sasifunda amabhuku okupheka from start to finish, into ezokuthatha mhlambe i-recipe uzoyifunda mhlambe u-30 minutes. Lapho kuzovela ungene ku-TikTok noma ama-YouTube shorts, into ungakwazi ukuyenza within 30 seconds. So i-technology manje siyazama ukusiza ukuthi laba abangakwazi ukuba naleya discipline, here's a starting point.
Yeah.
But I think the raw material and book where you find all the content kuseyincwadini, and I'll always advocate ukuthi umuntu at least akafunde into ane-interest kuyona, yabo.
Why is it kukhulunywa kangaka mfethu ngezinto zama-mental health issues these days?
I think sekuyarealizeka ukuthi izinto ze-mental health have been neglected for isikhathi eside.
Or not ukuthi bingekho?
Yeah, not ukuthi bingekho.
Yeah.
Ibi-neglective isikhathi eside, and indlela ibikade treatwa ngayo ibikade inokudiscriminate, yabo, ukuthi kufana njengathi esizulwini kuthiwa indoda ikhalela ngaphakathi, but
Yeah.
we are depressed. In fact, sometimes you can't even control low tears lawo. It's
Yeah.
not like wenza ngamasibomu ukhalela ukubuku. So manje ngoba uyindoda usho ukuthi kumele unga-release low emotions, and inkinga maswabeka phakathi kakhulu, we may find ourselves lashing out or sibe impulsive, senze izinto that you were never gonna do as a normal nkanyiso who was not depressed. Mhlawumbe ugcina usuzama ukuzibulala noma ukuzilimaza, ukulimaza abanye abantu. So if singadeal nezinto ze-mental health, zihlala ngaphakathi kuthina, zigcine sezizikhipha, umzimba uyakwazi, if umzimba under stress uyakwazi ukukutshena ukuthi hayi yabo manje sekuyabheda, yabo.
Yeah.
So it's either uzothola ukuthi usunenkinga usakwazi ukulala, kubuhlungu, nama-muscle tension. So into ke manje isenza ukuthi mental health ivele ingoba sesikwazile nanoku-influencer ama-policy makers, ohulumeni, ama-organization amakhulu ukuthi look, kunalento eningayinakile elimaza abantu ebabulalayo and iyi-problem, therefore asenzeni more education ukuthi abantu bezwe ngayo, ba-understand, so that sizokwazi ukuthi siyi-treat, yabo. And okwe-mental health ke nje ku very broad, very complicated, because mhlawumbe sithi emndenini vele khona umuntu wakwaba nenkinga ye-mental health, lokho wena ungakenzi lutho, uzalwa nje sekukufaka kwi-risk yokuthi nawe iyocisha ikuphathe leyo nto kwi-lifetime yakho, yabo. And especially manje izingane exposed to izinto ezi-traumatic, izinto ezi-difficult. Iy'ngane are being raised in single parent households these days. Kwaloo nto kuyi-trauma nje ekhona thizeni that iy'ngane have to go through. Ama-programs that iy'ngane are exposed to, violence, i-GBV ekhaya, ubaba ushaya umama noma the other way around, umama uhlukumeza ubaba. Iy'ngane are exposed to lezi zinto on a daily basis, and zingena emqondweni wabo. I-violence ngaphandle, kuyabulawana, ushonelwa abazali usamncane, ushonelwa ama-siblings. Zonke lezi zinto have mental health impact. Mase siloke sixaye ukuthi why lo muntu washintsha after section usibanibani, noma. So zonke lezi zinto nje zine-impact on ukuthi umqondo usebenza kanjani. Kanti phela ekugcineni if kulimala umqondo, i-motivation ayikho, awusakwazi nje nanokuqhubekela phambili yourself. Ungaba umuntu ohambayo, okhulumayo, nezandla, nayo yonke into, but you feel like ukuthi there's no progress empilweni, because if mental health inga-addresswekanga, it can cause generational problems. So I think
how do you guys then make sure ukuthi mhlambe accessible? to abanye abantu, especially to abantu mhlawumbe abaqhamuka kulama backgrounds lawa othola ukuthi nje they are disadvantaged ngale ndlela ukuthi they cannot even afford a therapist or yeah.
So lokho kuya kube irresponsibility yahulumeni yabo ukuthi uzokwakha amakliniki akhe ibhedlela especially kwama disadvantaged communities yabo. So then menza kanjalo you train nurse from loma clinic la ukuthi makufika umuntu okanje nanka ama screening tools because siya short. I think I'm a specialist psychiatrist. Last date engangiyibheka is just less than 1,000 in South Africa yonke. And then mawucabanga ukuthi masiba 1,000 ama specialist ama province awu 9 masikuhlukanisa mhlambe each province ina 110. Mawuhlukanisa ibhedlela mhlambe la KwaZulu Natal is 100 and bani mhlambe sithi 120. Shothi each hospital must have one.
Yeah.
But the unfortunate thing is kulo 1,000 wama specialist more than half wabo baka private practice. Yabo. So laba bakhona ka public ba limited.
Yeah.
Ingakho ama specialist akukho lulu ukwathola. So kuyake kuthiwe labantu abanama mental health problem only 3% wabo abazogcina bebonene mhlambe ne psychiatrist noma psychologist ngenxa ukuthi iyashoda i-availability yabo. So the way esizama ukunyusa access ngayo is by training ama general practitioner about mental health problems because baningi bona and makunento wrong kuwena manje uyahamba kwi-GP yakho awuvela usukuye kwi-psychiatrist noma psychologist then i-GP izokwazi ukwenza lokho basic then iyakurefer ke yona to ilento psychologist noma psychiatrist. So nasemakhaya kuyatrainwa onesi ukuthi aba pick up these small things then ba manager abangakwazi ukwenza then ongaphezulu kwabo bafundisa ukuthi if kufike kulezinga elingaka then you are refer to another place because akusiza ukuthi sakha ama psychiatric hospitals and then odokotela bekho enough kuyosebenza kulezo ibhedlela lezo. So it's all about ibizwa nge-task shifting.
Yeah.
So ukuthi shifted to other people and other professions. So akubona odokotela no-nurse kuphela.
Yeah.
Kuyaba khona ama occupational therapist, kuyaba khona ama physiotherapist, ama social worker, konke nje baningi nabo bakwazi ukupick up these mental health issues then bakwazi ukurefer appropriately.
Futhi ukhulume nge-experience yokusebenza kuma psychiatrist hospital. Cause ngisho ngisayicabanga nje mina ngivele ngibona ukuthi hayi in as much as compared to laba mhlamba abasebenza kuma emergency what ayikho into engcono kule field eniyenzayo bethu ayikho into ongathi hayi le ngingabalekela kuyona. How is that experience?
Because uzothi usahleli nje usabhekele uzisha impama la.
Angithi manje kune case ukuthi khona ebenqanyulile lokhu njani bemlumile lento.
So I think because kumuntu othanda ukulalela yabo
asiqale sichaze ukuthi yini psychiatric hospital so that omunye umuntu obengayazi abene picture.
Okay.
Yeah.
So a psychiatric hospital so kuba it's a specialist hospital.
Yeah.
So mhlambe la ukuthi sidila nengqondo kuphela la.
Yeah.
Yabo so ukuzuye khona kumele ureferwe mhlambe usuke from kwi-GP yakho noma usuka from a clinic noma izibhedlela lezi ama community health center noma ama district hospital. So ufika uzoreferwa nje khona ngoba sebekwazile ukucheck ukuthi ukugula nje into yomqondo akukho yini mhlawumbe okunye okugulisayo because lento yomqondo sometimes uguliswa ngenxa ukuthi mhlawumbe khona poison othathile noma izinto zakhe azisebenzi kahle isibindi asisebenzi kahle konke lokho ama toxins
na paranoia ama drugs.
Yep, nama drugs exactly. Yeah. Very big problem. Then uyalethwa ke to a psychiatric hospital yabo. Isikhathi esiningi ke the types of abantu aba admitwa kuyahluka khona ba admitwa ngaphandle kwemvumo yabo kube khona aba-admithwa ngokuvuma kwabo because la abanye abasuke bephazamiseke ngempela abakwazi ukuzenzela ama-decisions
Yeah,
so
ukuthi
siyaba-admitha
hayi,
by
esibhedlela.
yeah siyaba-admitha by force
Yeah.
yabo ngithi by force because imindeni yabo yabasayinela ukuthi hayi bangeza then kube khona naba-stable in terms of bazibona bona ukuthi cha nginenkinga-ke manje yabo ngathi ngiyayidinga i-psychologist nabo siyakwazi ukuthi siba-admithe nabo into i-institution le so izibhedlela-ke lezi
Labo oma worst case noba ukusana abazi bagcina sebefika kulesi sibhedlela.
unfortunately-ke ngendlela isystem emingayo manje usually worst case
Because the
uyabona
system can
ukuthi-
only absorb always case.
it can only absorb always case
Yeah.
but ka-private kuba ngconywana ukuthi
Okay.
angifuni ukuthi simple case because into
There's-
esimple
ayikho
kuwena mhlawumbe i-complicated kumina
Yeah.
but la amanye ama-case angekho dead bad nakulawa agcine sefika kuthina e-private hospital bayashesha ukubona whereas ngala ka-public mhlawumbe leyo nto i-GP yovele i-dismiss ithi hayi wena manje uzokhalela ukuthi uhlukene nentombi yakho yini usune-depression iqhamungaphi yabo iya-dismiss kanti leyo nto isazobuild up yabo uyo-refer mhlawumbe after 2 years umuntu kanti mhlawumbe i-chair ade ithanda yabo
Yeah.
bahlukane nayo or mhlawumbe khona i-trauma ubona umuntu edutshulwa athi umuntu hayi but uyazi kuhlezi kudutshulwana njena la elokishini why wena izokuhlukumeza kangaka lona so abanye bazidismiss izinto umuntu abuye ngokuthi nje ngisho kuyi-glass le usiyathuka yabo akasakwazi nanokucontrol uyasaba nayo yonke leyo nto so kuthina kuyake kufike sekuwo-worst case isikhathi esiningi yabo so abantu mhlambe i-GP sikuzamile emaphilisini bahluleka wafakwa esibhedlela nesibhedlela leso sahluleka kuma sebekuletha kuthina-ke le phezulu because yabo usuhluleka iy'ndaweni eziningi sowulaphayana-ke manje so bahlala izikhathi eside-ke kulama-psychiatric hospital and izimo or izifo abantu abafika ngazo kuhlukile yabo abanye abakholelwa ukuthi mhlawumbe umuntu uJesu akholelwa ukuthi
Ngondile ukuhleka kodwa manje khona into engiyicabanga nje ubukhuluma sorry angikondile ukuhleka yazi into engiyicabanga ngayo iphi kukhona abaphuma be-right noma it's just an institute yokuthi at least we are saving you from endangering yourself from the community or endangering or putting the community in danger.
so i-aim yethu ukuthi babe
Uphume
right
right.
yes,
Like
yeah,
uphume
i-aim yethu.
umuntu esober kanje.
Yes.
Wait,
so
do you have a
kuyenzeka-
case like that? Umuntu
Yeah,
afika
yeah.
uthola ukuthi ha eyaliki
yeah so majority of the time bayaphuma be-right but obviously awubo 100% yabo mhlawumbe I'll say we'll get you mhlawumbe to 80 or 90%.
Oh, okay.
Yabo because angithi ukuphazamiseka komqondo kufana nokulimala komqondo isilonda siyaphola but
Oh, you can
uma
heal.
kuyohlezi
Oh,
ukhona
okay.
yabo
Yeah.
so the more limala the more ingqondo ilimala nayo and the more difficult kuba ukutreata lokho so ingakho siyake si-emphasize ukuthi umuntu mase simdischargeile uyaqhubeka ne-medication abayiyeki so that ezohlala ehlezi ekulo 90% okungenani because it's better umuntu a-functioning 90% okunokuthi abuye ku-40
Yeah.
but-ke abantu bawo sibiza i-revolving door yamdischarge this week 2 months later usebuyile futhi ngoba ufike ekhaya wangathatha amaphilisi wabuyela
Wazibona
kwama-drugs
seki-right.
wazibuyela kwama-drugs yabo
Cha,
wangakwazi
lekuhlanya seyaphela bafethu ngayiyeka.
basho njalo basho njalo so kuba njalo-ke and then it's very rewarding ukuthi umuntu angene esho lezo zinto
Yeah.
aphume ese-right
Sure.
and then sometimes siyakwazi nokuthi sibabuyisele emsebenzini abanye umuntu agcine sekwazi ukusebenza na kuwukuthi-ke nje i-situation ye-country yethu imisebenzi ingekho iyona enye into ebuye ibe yi-challenge ukuthi siyaba-rehabilitator but mase bebuyela ngaphandle umuntu
I-system
uyahlala
ayikwazi
ubhorekile
Yeah.
akasakwazi ukwenza lokhu ayikho into ezomenza abe busy abuyele kwizidakamizwa kumuntu but kodwa nje yeah ama-psychiatric hospital nje kuba into emi kanjalo then this is abantu abagulayo ngomqondo ngendlela ezihlukile o-depression anxiety bipolar schizophrenia kuningi Then kukhona nemunyeko umkhakha ke o ekuthiwa forensics psychiatry. So lapho izibhedlela eziningi lezi ezispecializeayo kwi psychiatry kunale department of forensics. So ilapho uthola mhlawumbe umuntu ophazamisekile ngomqondo wenza icala. Yabo, whether i-murder, i-assault, nani. Then emefika inkantolo ithi but lo muntu angekwazi ukuzimela la enkantolo ngenxa ukuthi umqondo wakhe uphazamisekile, akawa-understand ama-proceedings ala enkantolo. Therefore asikwazi ukumjezisa for icala lela nalo. Sicela ukuthi ahambe ayo-admithwa esibhedlela somqondo okunokuthi sihambe siyomfaka ejele. Yabo. So siyadila ke nalo ma case la ukuthi kunomuntu obeboshiwe then kwathola ukuthi kunokuphazamiseka komqondo then kumele sidile nabo. Thothi umuntu nje unama murder charge mhlawumbe awu 3-4. Yabo. Ngicathi kunale case eyaduma kakhulu engengimushe egama but was an athlete kwakuthiwa udubula intombi yakhe ngo Valentine's Day kanjani ukuthi wazama na ukuthi aze kule route le athi hey ngishayekile la ngomqondo so angikwazi ukuya ejele ngicela ukuya esibhedlela because la esibhedlela phela mhlawumbe uhlala I'd say 3-4 years mawuziphethe kahle siyakwazi uku-applyela enkantolo sithi hayi lo muntu right kanjani sicela nim-discharge ezinkantolo. So asikwazi thina ba-discharge because vele basuke belethwe inkantolo ukuthini thina siyaba-treat-a nje zonke iy'nsuku then inkantolo yona edecide ukuthi hayi
awume dokotela ngeke umuntu ophila saka uyakwazi ukubulala intombi yakhe because singayibuka kanje ukuthi in that state lesebekuzona ebengekho right yena umuntu right but in that state wenze into ebengeka kwazi ukuyenza if he was on a normal state. Ikudilwa kanjani necase kanjani because ukubulala a loved one like for example umuntu oshade naye ithini leyo nto le.
So thina mase ichaza siyabachazela ukuthi ngale yonkathi leyo he was not in his right mind. But inkantolo i-defense bazothi but lo muntu bezazi ukuthi emediniwe kumele ngabe uyakwazi ukuthi enze sure ukuthi ama-hazards ayasuka eduze kwakhe. Yabo, because uyazi ukuthi uzogcina engakwazi into efana njengokuthi
responsibility inkantolo ibeka
kuwena. Yes, into efana ngizokwenza example njenge-drinking and driving. Uyazi ukuthi ukuphuza mase uyadriver kuyicala and mase udakiwe uyazazi ukuthi kunezinto ongeke uzikhumbule. Therefore ngalesikhathi uqala ukuphuza ngalesikhathi uqala ukudinwa uyazazi ukuthi kungenza into that's beyond your power. So before you even started getting to that point you have the ability or the responsibility ukuthi ungakwazi ukulungisa leyo situation because namanje abantu kuqala bakwavele kuthiwe hayi lo bedakiwe so he couldn't control himself therefore akuyona ifault yakhe.
Because he was under the influence.
But when you started drinking you knew ukuthi alcohol has the capacity or potential uku-alterisha umqondo wakho. Uyazi ukuthi ukuthethisa umuntu noma ukuba ne-conversation nomuntu at high levels kune-potential ukuthi ingalida ukuthi yabo. So but ekugcineni inkantolo edecidayo akubi thina siyareporta nje kuphela ukuthi no ngasikhathi ekwenza into he was not in his mind. Yabo, siyishiya lapho thina because asibona abantu then inkantolo yona ezozidecidelaka ukuthi hayi shuthi lo muntu based on A, B, C and D guilty noma based on A, B, C and D we don't find him guilty ekugcineni. So into engadinga behlale nelawyer la isichazela ukuthi bafika kanjani
lo conclusion. But kodwa kuyavunywa ukuthi yes in that moment yena bengekho right.
Yes.
Kodwa uyazazi mfethu ukuthi wena umuntu udiniwe uyadubulana kanye uyashayana even though ukwenze kanye in your life kwakufaka ejele but you should have known ukuthi awukwazi ukucontrola i-anger yakho akuyena umuntu ogood when it comes to controlling ama emotions
because phela yona the whole point of mental health ukuthi mayilimele umqondo wakho ugcina wenza ama decisions nawo bungeke uwenze kade ungalimele. Yabo, like uyalimala onyaweni indlela ohamba ngayo iyashintsha yabo
yeah.
so ayifani nangasikhathi kade uhamba
Unormal,
right so nomqondo uba kanjalo uma uthikamezeka nje kancane nendlela o decide ngayo wenza ngayo izinto nazo ziyashintsha but nakho lokho kufike after sekuraiswe i-awareness ye-mental health kanti before because angithi kuyenzeka kwesinye isikhathi manje uzalwe kube ne-complication mhlampe ekuzalweni kwakho ube nenkinga yomqondo from birth
yeah
yabo ugcina mhlawumbe usukuma special school or awukwazi ukukhuluma awukwazi so kuyaba khona nalo ma case anjalo then uthothi ingane enjalo mhlambe izonukubeza omunye umuntu noma izoshaya omunye umuntu noma izobulala omunye umuntu
yeah
ayazi nanothi yenzeni yona nje impilo iyaqhubeza normal because ingqondo yayo ikwazi uku-interpret right from wrong
yeah.
so lowo muntu lowo do they deserve to go to jail engazi ukuthi wenzeni nani
sake saye kwesinye isikole futhi sezinye ingane ezi-disabled vethu yazi leza ngane zathi zehle etheksini zabe zibingelelana ngamampama ungahle serious impama eshisa kanjani lezi ntwana lezi asiboni okushuthi zona zibona ukuthi wrong
aziboni nje
mhlambe lo ngashawa mhlawumbe angakhala but azikhalanga abakhalanga sasize sikhuza bayashayana nje bayashayana sokubona indlela mhlambe it's the physical way yoku-expressa however feeling that they feel wena uyibuka ngazo ukuthi impama i-violent kanti kubona abayi-interprete kanjalo
kunjalo nje manje ukubeka ukuthi because abakwazi ukuzi-expressa njengathi but they look for ama-alternatives ukuthi bazozi-expressa kanjani and so we can't really fault them esikhathini
esiningi uhlukumeza ingane ushaya abantu akukona ukushaya kuyena
indlela yokuthola i-attention yalowo muntu wena ngoba uhlaniphi ingqondo yakhe yakwazi uku-interpret izinto uyibone ngazuthi hayibo nabelimazana so irresponsibility buyibe khona ukuthi izingane azitrain ukuthi no leyonto i-wrong le ndlela ofuna ngayo attention i-wrong asikukhombisa indlela ezingconywana ukuthi uthole i-attention ingakho kwagcina sekunama-special school kunani because iqala kwahlangana konke lapha same schools then ngibona ukuthi hayi laba baxoshwa esikoleni ngenxa ukuthi yena abakwazi ukufollowisha ama-instruction yabo baloku bephindana
but kodwa going back ke to le nto le so okushuthi in as much as sisalethi awareness kulama issues e-mental health sisekude in terms of bridging the gap because manje if uyacheckisisa uma ukhuluma mangilalelisisa kahle kunama programs akwazi uku-absorba o-worst case scenario laba abangekho ko-worst case but abane-potential ukuthi bagcine because even kona kwakubulala umuntu ojola naye kukhona isign thizeni but isuke ayikho easily identifiable that's why abanye abantu beze baye voluntary umuntu aziyele nje kwi-therapist voluntary just to make sure ukuthi just in case kukhona amanye ama-triggers a-dangerous engingawazi ngami ngikwazi ukuthi ngiwabone but akusiwo umuntu one-access kuma-therapist ongakwazi ukuthi athole leyo information le that's why beze bethi bathi lento yokuthi umuntu uzothi unama-mental health issues ilento abantu aba-rich hayi abantu abahluphekile because thina sinaso leso sikhathi ubusy you are doing something kanti uma ubuka kahle violence yabantu benzana izinto ezibuhlungu la ngaphandle
hayi kakhulu and lokwe mental health akukhethi akuchoose yabo unfortunately kwanje usho ukuthi ama-resources awakabi khona ideally siyake khona angithi indlela i-health system esebenza ngayo khona primary health care secondary no tertiary thina siyi-specialist hospitals lapha ku-tertiary worst case scenario so if singakwazi uku-equipa u-secondary no primary health care so primary health care ema-clinic so ila kwenziwa khona ama-screening so njalo uma uze nenkinga nje ngisho ngathiwa mhlambe uze kubuhlungisiso but there must be a way ukuthi siscreen ukuthi awukakabi yini nama-mild symptom okomqondo yabo so iyona-ke into esiyiletha ka-sport thina ukuthi njengoba siba nama-trials and ama-fitness test makuqala isizini can we do that for mental health also amongst ama-athletes ukuthi can we screen them beginning of the season nangasikhathi umuntu injured noma nangasikhathi umuntu esuka from one team to the next, because those are a critical period where umuntu can develop early symptoms. So the earlier we can detect ama symptoms, the simpler and the easier it is to treat ngaleso sikhathi. Because wabo maso ufika la kumele sikunika amaphilisi usuke sekushubile. Yeah, because ideally kumele ngabe lento iyalungiseka just by ukutraina umqondo nangendlela ongasebenza ngayo. Awudingi ukuthi kuze kufinyelele amaphilisi. Namaphilisi should be our last case scenario, yabo. So it's all about ukudetecta early and then making sure ukuthi izinto zihamba kahle.
Laba bethu abantu abashaya amaphilisi okulala ithini yona into yabo?
So abashaya amaphilisi okulala
nama symptoms welento noma because khona abantu nje sibaziye esiphila nabo aba right kodwa umuntu akakwazi kulala ebusuku ulala ngamaphilisi nje.
So leyo ke ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi ukuze ubothi ku complex kanjani indaba yokulala fana nokuphathwa ikhanda, kunesibhedlela esidedicated to headache ngenxa ukuthi ku complex kangakanani. So fana nokulala, we do have ama sleep units la kuzohlazwa kahle ngempela ukuthi yindaba onenkingi yokulala. But masiyibheka in terms of mental health, most of ama conditions akhona, depression, bipolar, schizophrenia, anxiety, i-symptom esuke ikhona lapho. Ukulala is one of the most most prevalent. So kusho ukuthi yona symptom ejwayele ukuvela almost on all of them. So the minute you have inkingi yokulala, it's always important to assess ukuthi why unale nkingi yokulala, yabo. Because ukuloku ufaka amaphilisi nje kuphela nje kufana nokuthi umboza isilonda ngethishu ukufihla nje kuphela, asazi ukuthi lesilonda senziwa yini, yabo. So always uma unenkingi yokulala asingajaha ukuthi siphopha amaphilisi okulala, but rather go get a professional ukuthi kubone ba assess kahle ukuthi yini inkingi yakho yokulala, because mhlambe there's underlying depression ingakho ungakwazi ukulala. So when mawuloku ufaka amaphilisi okulala, i-depression ungayitreat izoloku iya ngokuba worse.
Namaphilisi azoyoseke ngawenzi lutho umzimba.
Amaphilisi nawo ubona ukuthi awasebenzi, and sizongena lapha ku TikTok athi umuntu hayi mina naka ayangilalisa lawo awazi ukuthi unani lo muntu kanje emlalisa yena, but now usufuna ukuyo
ngithi wena sesifunda ku TikTok wena sesifunda
uyayidinga professional ayithi bengisho ngamabhuku mina lezi sikhathi mase kufika la kwizinto kweze health yakho awufuni ukuyofundiswa umuntu who's not a professional about your health. But TikTok ungayithola mhlambe TikTok channel that deals with health and it's delivered by a healthcare professional. But we always advise umuntu sicela ayobonana ne professional rather than uGoogle, because sometimes yabo manga googlisha manje ngithi yabo kubhlungu isisu la mhlambe sekuno 3 days, mangase ngifake lonto kuba bhlungu kwesisu no 3 days ngingazithola sengine cancer. Googlisha lo symptom ngingazithola sengine cancer. Sengiyasaba ke manje ngine cancer ke mina sengidiagnose. So no anxiety labo into enjalo athi umuntu inhliziyo yami iyashaya, fake lapha inhliziyo iyashaya, yovela kuthiwa anxiety, thiwe mhlambe unenkinga yenhliziyo, thiwe mhlambe i-thyroid, yeni manje usukuthukileke nawe awazi. So always proper full assessment ekumele yenziwe professional.
So what's the vision? Because okwamanje ngithi ukuthi to align yourself within le profession le engajwayelekile kwi-sport with the hopes that izopeak noma with the hopes zokuthi izopeaka nayo, but still awumelanga kuyona, you still have other things that you are busy with.
Yeah, no, definitely i-vision ukuthi si-improve i-mental health access South Africa yonke. As much as ngifuna mina ukuspecialize more kuma athlete, but in South Africa in general ukuthi si-improve i-access ne-quality of i-mental health care service lawa atholakalayo. So through education, teaching, sharing and uplifting nabanye abafisa ukuthi bagcine sebekwi-position afana nawethu, and to always just be influential uku-advise abantu ukuthi i-mental health ikanje, if uzinakekela njengoba unakekela umzimba, inqubekela phambili izobe ikhona. So I'm hoping ukuthi mhlampe ke one day a Minister of Sport will allow ukuthi mhlampe in every sport or field that is registered in South Africa kukwazi ukuthi kube khona nama-mental health assessments for abadlali, even nasey'koleni, because kwanjalo ngichaze eqayeni ukuthi these mental health problems can start from a young level. Nasezikoleni sikwazi ukwenza at an early stage these mental health assessments, so konke lokho improve access. The nice thing enye ngibuye ngiyibona ukuthi working with athletes, these are people everyone looks up to. So if we can show people ukuthi mental health affects ama-athletes also, nawe unkanyiswa uyihlalele endlini ungabona hayi nami ngiwunkanyiswa nje ngingawona i-athlete, nami lento ingangi-affecta if i-affecta usibanibani who is regarded as the best in the world. Mina ngakafiki nanak-best in Durban kulento engiyenzayo but then who am I not to have that? Because inkinga istigma sikhulu laphayana ka-mental health. Once wathi umuntu une-mental health issue, we siyahlanya-ke manje lo. So sifuna uku-destigmatize leyo nto. So sometimes working with abantu that people look up to and they are willing to come out and share their stories, iyenza ibe more acceptable, and abantu are now willing to come out and say yazi nami nginayo le nto usibanibani onayo who's a professional athlete kanjani. So izosiza ukuthi ne-access, because isikhathi esiningi abantu bayahlala bayivalela bafuna ukuphuma ngoba besaba ukuthi bazojaja ukuthi wena kade u-admithwe lapha e-Akhiso wena konke wrong ngawo. Yabo, so ukubreaka nje i-stigma si-improve ne-access.
No, this is a beautiful conversation, Dr. Thank you so much. I think we are still going to come back and unpack this even further because there's a lot that we didn't touch on. But ngithanda ukuthi sike sishiye la into engathi introduction. When we come back, then we can find these beautiful pockets in these conversations that we can dive into, find other interesting things. But so far, I think okwanamhlanje singayivala la. And then bese sibuye ke makuthiwa siyabuya.
Asithembe ukuthi sobuya mhlambe senginenye ezinye isiqu.
No, thank you so much.
No,
Thank you so much, Mafuze. Thank. Please, yeah. That's all. Yes. Hey, what would say to Park?
Yeah.